You welcome to Beauty Over 40. Today we are collaborating with my beautiful girls of Beauty Over 40, and for this month we are creating looks based around the St. Patrick's Day. So basically we're doing looks with green. Would you like to see how I created this simple but beautiful look? Definitely stay tuned.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds. Somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Of course, my makeup is done and we are doing the St. Patrick's Day green theme, and just as usually as I do, I like to go online and see what information I can find. So I'm going to be asking my Bixby about St. Patrick's Day. What is St. Patrick's Day?
According to History.com, St. Patrick's Day observes of the death of St. Patrick, the patron saint of Ireland. The holiday has evolved into a celebration of Irish culture with parades, special foods, music, dancing, drinking, and a whole lot of green.
Here in St. Louis, they have the St. Patrick's Day parade that lots of people attend, and this, as she said, there's lots of green and definitely lots of drinking. I've never been to a St. Patrick's Day parade, but you know, maybe sometime in the future I can attend one of those parades. Here in St. Louis, they have like, you know, all the parades, like the downtown area, and then they usually finish in the Soulard area, which is just a little town with like tons of bars and restaurants, and it's always a good time. I actually attended a few weeks back the Mardi Gras parade, and it was a very good time. It was cold out there, but it was a very good time. But we're gonna go ahead and get into this look. So I'm going to use the Love Yourself little eyeshadow palette here that I got out of BoxyCharm, and then I'm going to be going in with this transition color right here. I was washing dishes and, you know, had my hand in a glass just going at it. There was something down in the bottom and I was really trying to just get in there and get it, and it broke. And when I tell you it broke, it felt like something bit me. But I've been in a sling. Well, the first time they just glued it up and put some of the tape on it. And then I had to go back the next day because it kept bleeding. And then when I went back the next day, the nurses and the doctors were like, why didn't they sew it up? I'm like, I don't know. I'm not the professional. So because it kept bleeding, they put me in a splint. And I've been in a splint all week. But it's hard to do my makeup with the splint on. So I'm mustering through this. So it's my pointer finger here. But I'm really trying to keep it still. And I won't show you guys because it's really swollen right now. Went out last night and to help celebrate one of my cousin's birthday, and pretty much kept it off all night, but I shouldn't have done that because I woke up this morning and it was swollen. Probably from, you know, I was really trying not to bend it, but it's definitely probably from all the bending I was doing. Not completely bending, but just like the flexing of my finger. So I'm really hoping it heals really fast because it's hard to do anything. And you know what? It made me step back and just think about the little things, right? Like, we don't think about things like that until it happens, but it really made me grateful for my little finger, my little wrinkled fingers, you know? You know, as much as I complain about them, because I do jokingly complain about them because they're wrinkled. They look like old lady hands. Alright, so we're just putting that transition color in there, you guys. And because of my finger, this look is just going to be really simple. I'm just going to do the best I can. I'm sure you guys can appreciate that. Alright, we're putting that down below. Alright. In my opinion, it's very important, like even if you're just wearing one color of eyeshadow, you need that transition color. It just blends, helps blend everything together. So I'm gonna go in with this palette here, Green Come True. This is from just a small beauty company, and I'm not even sure if they are still around. If they are, I will put their information down below. But this palette does have some beautiful greens. You know, there's a yellow and then this white color over here. But I think I'm gonna go in with this color here. I'm gonna go in with that color just on my lid, but before I do that, I like to lay down a primer or eyeshadow base just so my eyeshadow can stick a little bit better. So we're just gonna do one eye at a time. Try to get the best payout. All right, so we're just gonna press that green color on. Ooh, and it's really green. I really wanted to do something really dramatic for this collab, and then this happened. Life has its moments where, you know, it slows you down. I am thankful though, it could have been worse. Definitely could have been worse. All right, so we have that on our lid with that blending color again, just to blend out those harsh edges. All right, so we're going in with that blending color here, just a nice fluffy brush, and we're just gonna blend around the edges. So let me go back in with that color. This would be cute with like some liner, like on the lid, but I'm not gonna do that, but I am. All right, so I have the LA Girl liner here. It's Shockwave, and the color is Gotcha. We're just gonna use that in our waterline. Seems like I'm pressing hard, but I'm not because of my finger. All right, and I'm gonna go in with these lashes here. All right, we're gonna measure. I'm gonna cut some of that off. Got that one on as good as I could. Whew. All right, and for my lippy, I'm just doing my favorite nude. All right, guys, this is my completed look. Just a really simple, easy color on a lid, crease color, and green liner, and that is my look. And if you are a beauty over 40 and you would love to collaborate with myself and my beautiful girls, definitely reach out to myself. You can reach out to me on Instagram at LRH Makeup, or any of the girls that you see that are participating in this month's collaboration. All right, guys, that is it for my video. Definitely make sure you check out all the girls that participated in this month's collaboration. And if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, give your girl a follow at LRH Makeup. Also, my second handle on TikTok, which is _beauty over40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel, turning on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember, best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.